Steven, this is Mark. I thought I could just make you a private video. Normally I would just walk the customer through what's going on, but so this is the circuit board that does a few things, including send a signal from the neutral safety switch, as well as the levelers, as well as the slide out. When all those systems are happy, the signal gets sent out to the back, and this is one of the boards that was fried. This one was somewhat reasonably priced, and it is a reliable board, so I replaced this guy, and so now we're getting a thumbs up signal to the back, to the neutral safety signal, which is back here, which is this guy right here. Okay, there should be a board here. This board is the epicenter of the failure, and this board, which I'm going to show you in a second, is very problematic. They upgraded the design, and yours was seriously burnt out, and that's what shorted out the neutral signal and the board up front. But you'll notice for master fuses, solenoid, and then we've got a positive plug-in rack here, positive power, positive 12 volts. Okay, why am I showing you all that? Okay, first off, this is your old board here. Now you see how this whole thing is burnt up here. This whole board was going haywire. That's been replaced. This board here is the ignition board, and it's not worth replacing, because they did an upgrade design. This board is over $800 and it's not robust. All of the insulated board is burnt out. So there should be, these two relays will sit here like so, and here. Thought it was the relays that were bad, but the actual board is bad. It's also got other multiple burn points. It's hard to tell on the camera, but this prong here is also burnt. The whole ground signal going to the board is burnt out. Furthermore, on this rocker switch, this lower rocker switch here, there wasn't any continuity coming to these prongs, the lower rack right here. So it's almost like something struck it with lightning. But what I'm going to do, this is the internal schematic of the board. With the upgraded design, they keep this schematic. This here is your design, and you'll see they have the rack here. You got your fuse blocks, you've got the main solenoid, and you got your circuit board right here, and that has the 3 relays. This is the upgraded design, where they've got external relay, and they only have a 3-wire connection going into the board, and they don't have the plug-in here. So I'm changing your guy to this setup, and I'm using this relay board here. It's an extra one they give you, and then these 2 relays right here, which are much more robust, and they're going to be wired into your broken board. And I'm basically going to, with this setup, turn this into this. We skip the $800 board. Everything will be fused and safe. The design will be upgraded, but I mean, the cost of the batteries alone were over $1,000, and then this board was $400 plus tax and freight. It's $500. So I just want you to know about all of this, but I'm hoping today will be the last day. Alrighty.